A customer brought us her daughter's 13-inch Macbook Pro after the screen was badly damaged. With college just around the corner, she needed the laptop ready as soon as possible. That's where Digimobile stepped in. We immediately ordered a brand new replacement screen to make sure the repair was done with quality parts. Our certified technicians carefully disassembled the MacBook, removed the broken display, and installed the new screen with precision. Every screw, every cable, and every connection was handled with care to ensure the laptop would perform like new. We don't just replace parts, we restore peace of mind. Before handing the laptop back, we ran a full test to confirm the display was crystal clear, the brightness worked perfectly, and the system was ready for daily use. Now her daughter has a fully functional MacBook Pro, just in time for her college classes. Another successful repair completed right here at Digimobile. If your laptop, phone, or tablet needs expert repair, bring it to us. Fast, reliable, and professional service is what we're known for, keeping you connected, one repair at a time.
Dancing through life on our feet. No worries, no regrets in sight. We're living loud, chasing the light. We're living wild, feeling free. No holding back, it's our destiny. With every breath, we take it all. Rising high, we'll never fall. Under the stars, the night is young. With every heartbeat, our song's begun. No time for fears, no room for doubt. We're in the moment, let's scream.